What was this? Oh, the toothpaste, or maybe something like a, if you want to get it all of it, everything, just use that. Okay, I think that's handy, but it's gonna be like using a lot of work effort for that. Okay, what's this? Ah, okay, for you to hold like a. Oh, is it working? Is it working? Ah. That's called like a mechanic system or engineering, we call it. What's this? Okay, hanger code. Another hanger. Okay, I don't think that's reliable. I don't think it's reliable because it's gonna, ruin the hanger for that. Okay. I mean, at least he got something like at least some of the repeating that is useful. What does this do? Huh? What are you putting in that there one? What is this? Oh, mouse trap! Ah, mouse trap. Okay.